My name is Florence Tirani, a proud beneficiary of the African Vaccine Academy Scholarship from Zambia. Taking part in the AVA GMP training for vaccine production was an enriching experience for me, honestly. One of the many key takeaways from the training was that on contamination control in sterile manufacturing, particularly in vaccine manufacturing. Although most of the topics covered on GMP were not necessarily new to me as an inspector, the manner in which they were presented offered me such a fresh perspective and enabled me to enjoy once again and understand them from a new light. The consistent support from the Biotech Training Facility and Bloom Public Health made it so much more enjoying as a learning process and effective, if I should say.
My name is Tedros Fufu. I'm from Eritrea. I have master's degree in veterinary science and quality control from Pan African University of Ibadan. As my expertise is in the vaccinology domain, I'm so interested to continue my work with non-governmental organizations. So, as part of my plan, I took the training which is given by the African Academy vaccine training. So I'm so happy to take up this training because as long as my aim is to work in vaccine producing company in Africa, just to make Africa as a continent to have its own vaccine producing company to promote public health. So thank you so much.
After watching a video about contamination control, I became extra careful in my normal daily routine life. When I saw the advertisement in March 2024 for this training, I thought it would be good for only pharmacists. But in my usual test for knowledge, I decided to apply. I encourage everyone in the vaccination and immunization sector to take up this course. It was one of the requirements for a WHO Technical Advisory Group MVAC vacancy I applied for in May 2024. I hope to get the job. I'm very grateful to African Vaccine Academy and Blum Public Health, and I thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity and also for the rest of the 19 scholars that joined me. Thank you.